안녕하세요. Hi everyone, this is your Korean Sam, 진아. Today's expression is 입을 맞추다. 입을 맞추다. 맞추다, we actually learned about 맞추다. What is 맞추다? To adjust something or to hit something. So, 입을 맞추다. To hit mouth? To kiss? 뭐예요? Let's see. Look at here. They are siblings and her mom is cooking something. But look at what they say. Look at what they think. They think he likes hamburger and she loves salad and he likes a potato chips. But everyone said 엄마가 만든 게 제일 맛있어요. Mom's food is the best in the world. So they have something other in mind, but they arrange their story and then they all tell mom, what? Your food is the best. So 입을 맞추다 is to prearrange a story on purpose. So what's the purpose on here? They want to make their mom happy. That's the purpose. So they hide their intention and then says, oh, your food is the best. How lovely, right? So it is used when people prearrange a story not to contradict each other, and it is used when people agree on saying the same thing to hide facts, like them. So the similar expression is 말을 맞추다. 말 is words, saying. So 입을 맞추다, 말을 맞추다 is the same. Okay, let's look at the examples. A. 얘들아, 내가 어제 엄마한테 숙제가 없다고 했으니까. Guys, I told you my mom that there was no homework yesterday. 우리 엄마한테 숙제했다고 말하면 안 돼. So, you guys too, please don't say you did homework. A is cute, right? And B says, oh, 알겠어. 입을 맞추자. Alright, let's say the same thing. And C says, 나도 없었다고 할게. Okay, I will tell there was no homework either. So they are good friends, right? Okay. Did you understand? Yes. So, exercise. Number 1, choose one with the same meaning as 입을 맞추다. 입을 맞추다. Number 1, 말을 맞추다. 말을 맞추다. 입, 말 is the same. I said. So, it is the answer. It was easy. Number 2, 밥을 먹다. 밥을 먹다? 아니요. Number 3, 이야기를 하다. 이야기를 하다? 아니요. 이야기를 해요. But it's not just to talk about or to chat each other. It's something about hiding facts. So number 4, 거짓말을 하다. It can be lie, but it's not always lie. So it's not the same meaning. Number 2, complete this sentence. 그들은 거짓말이 들키지 않게 경찰서에 가기 전에 미리 So 경찰서에 가기 전에 before going to the police office 그들은 거짓말이 들키지 않게 they did something not to be turned out they're lying. 뭐예요? 미리 입을 맞췄어요. They prearranged their story not to their lying is revealed before going to the police. Okay, So this is all for today and hope you understand. Okay, see you next time. 다음 시간에 만나요.